Okay, what I'm going to try to do today is install my oil pump. It's a high volume. I don't know, it looks like they give you 2 springs. I don't think they take a gasket in between here and the pump, but I need to make sure anyways. It looks like they don't, but it did give you a gasket for the pickup. And the pickup is this, which I don't even know if I'm going to install that yet because I still haven't gotten my oil pan. So if something happens to where I end up not getting the oil pan, I may have to get a different pickup. So I may just leave the pickup I have now off. I don't know if it comes with bolts for these. Huh. That's neat. These bolts are for the mounting the pump to the cap. That's great. So the pump's not down all the way. You can see how it's hitting the stud right there. It looks really close right here. I might take a little material off, but I don't think it is actually touching though. Here's a drive shaft I'm using too. Okay, I got it clearance now. So I'll go ahead and install it. Here's a part number. It's in a sealed power box for anybody interested. Okay, here's a pickup tube on. I had to go buy some bolts for it. Those are 5/16 by 18. So I may have to get that. Here's the car I'm working on. I got the body work done for the most part, but when I get further along, to painting it, I'll probably do a little bit more. It still needs a final sanding of 320. I bought this one under the sealed power name, but it might be the same part number as that milling. Here's some dowel pins I got. I'll probably go ahead and knock this in and probably call it a day after that. There's really not a whole lot I can do on it until I get my camshaft, and then I can start figuring out if I need my push rod length.